We kicked off our journey in the lush hills of Chiang Mai, departing from the serene Panviman Resort. Today's final destination is the charming province of Lampang, where we plan to climb the famous Sky Temple tomorrow. But before we get there, we've mapped out a few exciting stops along the way. Our first stop of the day is the ChangThong Heritage Park. ChangThong Heritage Park is located just north of Chiang Mai and is one of Thailand's most unique and tranquil destinations. It's a living museum dedicated to ancient and rare trees. The park was created by landscape designer Bunrak Tanasharunrot, who spent over 25 years curating and transplanting rare Thai tree species from across the country. You can walk along winding paths through misty tunnels, past waterfalls, and the park is designed to evoke a sense of stepping back in time, with ambient music, chirping birds, and the scent of orchids and flowering plants enhancing the atmosphere. The park opened in 2024, so not many people know about it, and it is still a work in progress. Oh, kitty cat! Hello, you! This park is really beautiful. Our second beautiful stop of the day is Wat Sri Don Moon, a stunning Buddhist temple located about 20 kilometers southeast of Chiang Mai. It's a peaceful and cultural treasure that has grown in popularity thanks to its spiritual significance and beautiful architecture. The temple is closely associated with one of Chiang Mai's most well-known monks, Kru Ba Noi. He gained national recognition, notably for his presence at the Tham Luang Cave Rescue in 2018, where he prayed for the trapped children and their coach. In recent years, the temple has expanded significantly. A new assembly hall, nearly 100 meters long, was completed in 2017. It houses a large modern Buddha statue set within a glittering interior. The temple grounds are lush and tranquil, with gardens and flowering trees creating a serene atmosphere perfect for reflection. The umbrella making center in Chiang Mai is also known as the Bosang Umbrella Village. It's a vibrant destination about 9 kilometers east of Chiang Mai city. It's famous for its centuries-old tradition of crafting beautiful hand-painted umbrellas made from bark paper and bamboo. Visitors can watch artisans skillfully create umbrellas from scratch, starting with the bamboo frame, applying the bark paper, and finally painting some beautiful designs by hand. The process is mesmerizing and showcases true Thai craftsmanship. On the t-shirt? Orange? Ah, washable, okay. Yes. That's so fast.
It's 2 minutes.
10 minutes, careful. Okay. Oh wow, you're an artist, really. Oh, so nice. Are you happy?
Oh yes, it looks quite cool. It took about 3 minutes to make it. The drying process is 10 minutes. So yeah, quite happy with it.
you to the waterfall.
Okay, you win.
Cool.
Chilly, eh?
Chilly.
Yeah.
Our last stop of today is Mae Kampong Waterfall, a peaceful multi-tiered cascade nestled in the lush mountains just an hour's drive east of Chiang Mai. Surrounded by forest and cool mountain air, it's perfect for a refreshing dip, a scenic hike, or just relaxing in nature. It's part of the charming Mae Kampong village, known for ecotourism and traditional Thai culture. So, we hope you enjoyed this video. In the meantime, we've arrived in Lampang and are checking in at the Pimpisa Resort. In the next episode, we'll be climbing the famous Sky Temple together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, take care, and see you in the next one.